Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to uninstall apps or games on your Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. First of all, open Windows settings in your computer or laptop device. Tap on apps. Here you can see install apps and games list. Select app or game you want to uninstall from your computer or laptop devices. Tap uninstall. Again tap uninstall. Now uninstalling a game or app in your device. Now you can see uninstall app game on your device. If you want to uninstall program, tap program, uninstall. Now uninstalling program. You can see Windows screen your device. Tap yes to uninstall. Now uninstalling. Now uninstall apps. I hope this tutorial helpful to uninstall app or game in your Windows 10 PC. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.